Hi and welcome back to the shop. I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to be learning how to forge a leaf. So I forged a few before, two to be exact, and they both turned out hideous. And so hopefully with Roy's instruction I can do a halfway decent leaf. And so I'm going to do a few practice ones and then I'll share what I've learned with you guys. Alright, so here is my 3 attempts at a leaf this evening, and this is my first one. It didn't turn out very well. I didn't actually get to the flattening of the leaf portion here. I was trying to draw it out over the horn and to separate out the neck underneath the leaf, and it kept sliding back and forth, and so I didn't get very well separated, so we cut that one off and just went to the next practice piece, which is this one here. And it turned out very nice. I think out of the 3, this is probably my favorite. And it has real nice leaf shape to it. And I think that one turned out well. And then my 3rd one turned out the largest. There's some unevenness on the edge here that I was trying to feather it out a little more, and that's why I kept drawing it out, and it turned out a little bit bigger. But overall, I think I did pretty decent. These all look better, or these 2 look better than my previous attempts at a leaf, so I'm happy about that.
Okay, so Jessica's going to do a quick taper on this. Bring it back in a little bit from the edge. Good job. Not to be shearing off. Good job. So Jess is going to be doing a real quick taper on this. As you can see, she's getting pretty good at her tapers. Holding them down in one heat makes a man kind of proud. Ain't that right, Jess?
That's right.
Try to make them feel special if you can. So as you can see there, she's got her taper down. That's pretty good. We got that down in one heat. So we'll zoom you guys in just a fuzz here, without changing it too much. But if you guys can notice, let's see here, pull this in. So you can see, hopefully without it being too out of focus, want to create a really nice, like about a 1-inch taper. 1 inch to 3/4 back taper up into here. You don't want to take and have a really long taper unless you want a really long leaf, something like an acanthus or something. Now that she's got that done, she's going to focus on the horn of the anvil, driving this material down. You've seen it done at the edge of the anvil, but a lot of beginners struggle with falling leaves where they work back and forth and snap off. Well, we don't want to have any snapping off leaves, so we're going to use the nice smoothness or the round radius of the horn for this purpose. So go ahead and put that back in the fire.
All right.
Okay, so now she's going to focus hammering like she is, where the taper just begins at the radius here. Right where the radius of the horn starts falling off, she's going to be using the hammer blows right on top of that radius to neck that down. Beautiful job, hun. Beautiful job. So she keeps working that straight down. It's exactly what you need to do. Okay, stop hitting it. It's too cold. Now wait. So it's just like doing it at the edge of the anvil. You're trying to aim like you're using half-on, half-off blows. So you're not trying to bend this around, but you're aiming to where just the edge of your hammer kind of floats off here into space. So you're aiming at that radius, and then you're turning it back always 90 degrees to work that down on the horn of the anvil. Turn it back like so, okay? That's what we're trying to accomplish. So go ahead and put that back in the fire, Remember, do not work this too cold. You want it to get nice. You want to keep it nice and hot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now she's going to begin to octagon this up right on here. Hammer it harder, Jess. Get a flat established. A visible flat that you can see with your naked eye. There you go. Now roll it. Hit that other corner. Good. Now start rolling. Roll it in your hands. There you go. If you see any hard lines, like a crisp line pointed up at you, work that down until you see a flat there. Keep working. Pull it back. Keep it against the horn. Stop.
Okay.
You're letting this come down this way too far. Pull it back and keep it up against there, okay? Yeah, roll it. That's what gives you rigidity. There you go. See how you still have some crisp lines in there?
Yeah.
You'll have to heat it up one more time, and we'll round that up some more, and then we'll go on to our next step.
Okay.
Okay, so now she's going to turn it up on the diamond. Go ahead and turn it up on the diamond. Hammer straight down, Jess, with the flat of the hammer. And now she's going to aim to one side, to the right-hand side.
What's in here?
Yep. Just like she's over swinging a little bit. And then she's going to aim to the inside. And watch that line develop. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Don't need me hitting any harder.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
That leaf is finished. Let's zoom you all in a little bit closer. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. So as you can see here, I've misplaced Mr. Thing.
He got away.
Oh, there he is. All right. So as you can see here, see that line go right down the center. That's how you know that you're hammering evenly on both sides. Once you've developed this, don't hit in the center anymore. Try to pull more material out away from that center line. That gives you a line, a reference point. And the way that you do that, Jess, hold on to it, is you're hammering either to this side of the piece. Go ahead and hammer there.
All right.
Fake hammer. Okay? Or you're hammering
This way.
to that side of the piece.
Right, slightly.
So it's almost like you're coming into the center, but you're just moving to one side or you're moving to the other. And that's how you drive out the lobes of a leaf very easily.
Yep.
That
It's
way.
almost slightly just tilted just a little in the hand.
Yeah, it's almost
Or
tilted
this
just
way,
slightly.
or this way.
Yeah.
Instead of just flat down.
And that's how you pull out those lobes of that leaf there. So that's it for making a leaf. What do you think, Jess?
Yeah. I think it's a good progression after doing tapers.
Yeah. So until the next time, huh?
Yep. We will catch you on the next one.
Oh, thank you all for watching.
God bless.